Hi, my name is Sean Ray, and this is a tour of a 2-bedroom over on South Side Lamar. It is located over in the Cedars area of downtown. It's just south of the downtown area, and it's known for having massive bedrooms. And so this is going to be one of the 2-bedroom options. It's going to be over 2,000 square feet. It's going to have this massive area for a living room, which I really like. These really intense columns that bring that really old, early 1900 rustic feel, and also huge space for bedrooms. Now it's up to you whether you want to convert this living room space into an additional bedroom or into like a big old dance ballroom area. Also keep in mind you do have great views of downtown and a lot of the options here at this property. Now in the downstairs area you get access to a whole bunch of really cool shops, including Cedars Fit, which is one of the most sought after new gyms in Dallas right now. If you haven't got a chance, go over there and check it out and see what they're doing. Also, if you're a coffee guy or a girl, there's places like Opening Bell that can get your caffeine fix. And then also, if you get a chance, check out $5 Movie Night over at Alamo Drafthouse, because if you haven't checked it out, you're missing out. Make sure to share this video with any friends that are moving out anytime soon.